Welcome back everyone. Today we got this beautiful 2021 Honda Insight Touring. First thing first, I'd like to thank Ciocca of Harrisburg for letting me drive test this car today. And check them out, the address is in the description below. Now this vehicle should definitely be in your list if you want to save money on gas. I mean, wow, you're getting 51 in city and 45 miles per gallon on highway. And you can buy this car, this specific one, is the top trim under $30,000. You're getting 15.1 cubic feet of trunk space in its standard setup and 14.7 cubic feet in this touring model. But I do not see a spare tire. But despite being a compact car, the Insight has more cargo room than some other hybrid and electric cars because this hybrid battery pack is under the back seats rather than in the trunk. Now, split folding back row is available, which provides some extra cargo flexibility. Now let's check the rear seats. On the back seats, you're getting a couple of cup holders located at the door for your passengers. You're also getting an armrest with extra cup holders there. You have a good amount of leg space in this car. However, you do not have AC vents for your rear passenger, but it's a compact car and you normally don't have AC vents for the rear passenger. That's how compact cars are. Now, since this is a hybrid car, your remote has blue color on the back of it, and I don't know if you notice or not, but you have this very thin blue line at the very top of the front grille of your car to represent that this is a hybrid car. Now let's check what under the hood looks like. This car has 1.5 liter 4-cylinder engine with 10.6 gallon of fuel tank capacity, and it has 151 horsepower. The horsepower is actually more than Honda HR-V. Now let's check out the interior and then we will start driving the car. You do have push button start. You're getting a manually adjusting steering wheel. Enough storage over here in the middle under the armrest. You do have a sunroof, but I'm not going to open it for now because it's raining outside. Heated front seats with dual zone automatic climate controller. Now you do have two modes in this car, it's eco mode and sport mode. Massive infotainment screen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, integrated navigation system, and a lot other features. You do have push button to shift your gears, and let's start driving the car and let's see how it goes. Rear camera quality is definitely one of the best quality in Honda's car. Thank you so much for watching the video and staying till now. This is the end of the video. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share the video, comment down below. Especially the main important thing is subscribe to my channel.